course is actually a 16-week course, so 7 of those weeks are in the classroom. And for 5 of those weeks, we will be doing book work. Now, it's not necessary to have a high school diploma, but it is desired, for the automotive industry that you do have some type of education, although it's not required.
It's like you get to work hands-on, and sometimes you don't get programs like that. I would like this program a lot.
I like the program pretty well. It teaches a lot. It's a 3rd trade under my belt.
The body shop is not interested in what your current background is or where you came from. We just want a student who is actually going to show up and want to learn and want to be there. That's all we need out of that student. We can teach them from that point everything that they need to know about surviving in the auto body industry.
Come here, be willing to work hard, be willing to show up, to do what needs to be done. Then remember why you came in the first place.
Program.
I found out about the program it was on my Gmail, and then I looked it up and I said, okay, yeah, I don't mind doing auto body. It's fine. So I went to school and got registered.
I was just one day bored on my phone and started looking up, and I seen the auto collision repair class program, and I was like, well, I like working on cars, so I'm gonna try it out, and I like it.
Okay, Alex, let's reinstall the shocks on that side. Marco, shocks on that side. Great. Now it goes underneath the wheel liner, right? Between the wheel liner and the sheet metal. You have it underneath the wheel. Okay, there we go.
But just to show up every day, because every day is something different, and just to keep coming.
If you're interested in this program, be ready to work, be ready to be here every day on time, and just be ready to learn. That's all we really require of you, is you wanting to be here and wanting to come to the course.
See you at ROP Auto Body Course.